To be honest, I can't tell you how to live your life, but there's love at home. Go home. Peace.
I'm moving to Lagos.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
I will just with my only bag. I have a lot of things to pack. A whole lot of things to pack. Like, we are relocating, my sister and I. I mean, we've been in Oka for quite a number of years. I think 4 years for me and like I think 6 years for my sister. We've just been to Lagos like in and out. But like now we are moving finally back to our father's house. And to be honest, it was very impromptu. It was not planned. Like I did not plan to move this quick. But it is happening, and I have a lot of things to pack. Like we're literally packing everything, like literally everything we own here. Well, except from like, I feel like it's just our clothes sale because I mean this is our father's house in Oka, but like every other thing that we need. I don't think we really have anything in Lagos to start with. I don't think we have anything in Lagos because when I left Lagos to come down here, I took everything. Like everything I own. So I don't have anything in Lagos. So I'm packing everything I own back here, everything I own here, back to my house in Lagos. And that's gonna be a very, very, very tough one because I have a lot of clothes and things and stuff. I'm just tired. Like because of packing is just super stressing. But we're gonna do it regardless. I'm not too dreading this packing thing.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validated.
Just take a look at all my clothes that I have to pack. Like, and this is not even everything, so I usually had to just bring everything in this room so that it can be like way easier for me to just pick. You have some in this cupboard that I have not even brought out, and it's like oh my god, I feel like this is going to be a whole lot of work. And since it's currently 9:01 and I want to go record a video today for Just and Guest. I'm leaving tomorrow, by the way. Today is Saturday. We're leaving tomorrow, that's Sunday. And I want to record a video today, a Just and Guest episode. I also want to check out that Fun City Park that just opened in Oka. Today is like grand opening party, which I actually wish I could attend, but I don't know if I'm going to meet up. But after my shoot today with my guest, I'll just go and check it out. Maybe I'll just get like some clips or something. If I get any clips from there, I'll add it after this one. I think I'm just going to, stay here, pack my stuff. I still have lots of clothes in the other room. I still have to pack my lights, my ring lights, my tripod, my LED lights, ring light, my tripod, everything is a whole lot to pack. And honestly, it's already draining me mentally. But I still have to pack what I have to pack. I don't want to record the whole packing process because first off, we've not had light in a week and I'm not about to kill my battery. But I still have to record with my phone and I don't want to make it low. Because maybe if I'm making progress, I'll be recording it I'll be adding whatever. But yeah, a lot of work to do. Wish me luck!
One eternity later.
Oh my god, I've been living in darkness now for a while. I'm so tired. I went to record my video with my guest the Just and guest series. I went to record it today, and I came back and I went to charge my food because we're leaving tomorrow. I'm not even done packing, although I'm like 70% done, but I'm not done packing. It is past 7 or to 8. Okay, 7:40. It is 7:40 p.m. There's no lights, and I'm pissed, and I'm trying my best to just stay put together because, man, it's actually so annoying when like you want to do things and like there is no light. It's so discomforting, and that's like my reality. No lights. The lights spoiled. So yeah, I'm just going to finish up my packing. I'm going to finish up my packing this night after like a while because I want to rest. I just finished eating also. My food need to digest. After that, after resting for a bit, I'll finish up my packing. Then we leave tomorrow. The driver is coming to pick us by 5 a.m. So yeah, I'm tired, but I have to do what I want to do. We leave for Lagos tomorrow, and I also did not end up going for the Fun City Park thing. I saw a video and it was packed. Like that place was packed as hell. I didn't know that like a lot of people are going to go there, but it seems it was, something people were looking forward to. So I did not want to go there and be struggling in the midst of crowd. It was a lot of people that were there. So maybe some other time, hopefully they don't go down business fast. I don't pray so for them, but like maybe some other time when I come back to Okan, I would have to visit there. But for now, it is not possible. I had a lot of things I wanted to do here because like I said earlier in the vlog, my going back to Lagos was actually very impromptu. I knew I was going to go back, but like not this soon to get. So yeah, I'm sweating right now, but I'm just going to have my bath. No, I'm just going to rest for a while, pack my things, have my bath and sleep. Then also, wake up and I'm just tired. I am tired, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm tired. Good morning, guys. So today is the day where we leave for Lagos. So we are on our way to Lagos. I think we're at Asaba right now. Shall we just hope to ease ourselves? My face is swollen. Oh my god. Well, yeah, we are on our way to Asaba. I said Asaba. We're on our way to Lagos, and we're just going to, this will be a very long ass ride. I mean, we are in for it. Yay! Oh my god, we are currently at Ore. I was sleeping. My face is swollen. Where do you are going? Where is the place going? It's about check for Suya. Where is it? Suya. My face is swollen. But we are Ore, and let's go and check for the price of Suya because I feel like it's going to be expensive. The way meat is expensive, but I still want to sleep. But let's go. This is the episode. This is the one I'm talking about. This is Suya. Oh, it is.
Fuck it up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
We have not gotten to the precise. But it seems like this thing is free. Road is free.
They say road is free. That is.
Oops! Hope my son not gonna break. We are in Lagos. Yeah, I came for not pack my load. Yeah?
The combination I like.
What combination?
Rice, beans, and stew.
I'm going to eat later. I'm not hungry. The head is on the floor. So we are finally at home. That's the ring light. Then the other one, yes.
Is the neck.
Yes.
Were you the one that unscrewed it?
Yes. It's from that road, not that one. Not that one.
So it's from where?
That
this one is to tighten.
Yes. So
it's
that
from
round.
Okay.
So we are finally at home. I'm super exhausted, and I don't have strength to unpack. And have you unpacked? You're packing your stuff.
I just put them inside cupboard. Now tomorrow I'll be doing this.
So yeah, finally in Lagos, and we are at home. I started helping to set my ring lights, my light, because it's giving me issues. I'm just going to be closing out the vlog here. I'll probably do like a proper video or something like much later. But for now, I'm just going to go freshen up, arrange my stuff, and know what I want to do here. I've met my dog, I've met my mom, I've met my dad, and it's just going to be a whole new experience in this place. And how do you feel about being back to Lagos after years?
It feels, I never experienced Lagos years, but I'm pretty sure I will still end up not liking the place as usual.
It's been like years since my sister came back. At least I've been here like a few times. But I'm going to just end up my vlog here, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.